Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Pub/Sub using service account credentials step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Google Cloud project created in the Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the I am and admin section in the console. Select service accounts from the left sidebar. Click on the plus Create Service Account button at the top. Enter a name and description for your service account, then click Create. Click Continue after setting the permissions. In the next step, you can skip adding users and click Done. Locate the newly created service account in the list. Click on the pencil icon to edit the service account. Navigate to the Keys tab. Click on Add Key and select JSON. This will download a JSON file containing your service account credentials to your computer. Store this JSON file securely, as it contains sensitive information. In your application, install the Google Cloud Pub/Sub client library using your programming language's package manager. For Python, you can use pip with the command pip install Google Cloud Pub/Sub. Import the necessary libraries in your code. Load the service account credentials from the JSON file. For Python, you can do this using Python from google.oauth to import service_account credentials equals service_account credential. For Python, use Python from google.cloud import pubsub_v1 client equals pubsub_v1.publisher client. Use the publish method to send messages to your topic. Make sure to check for any errors during the publishing process. Once everything is set up, run your application to verify that authentication and message publishing works correctly. You are now successfully authenticated with Google Pub/Sub using service account credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.